Instructors, let's make sure that blue light is on and recording. We're doing 3 laps. We're giving good gaps and we're going to keep our eyes up. Silver GTR, come on out with me. Green Porsche, please move over to the side. Let him through. All right, copy that. All right, as we enter this racetrack, we're going to keep our eyes up. We're going to take our time. We don't need to rush to get out on the track. Like I said, that first lap is going to be on the slower side, depending on who's in back of me. I might pick up the pace a little bit. So, as we enter this track, I want you to look around the turn. We're going to stay to the left of this turn all the way around till that orange cone. Normally, we'd be on the inside of the turn here. Orange is pointing to green. So, green or orange to green, leaving 3 feet back to my side. We brake at the red cone. Orange to green, back to the green cone. 3 feet. We straighten the wheel and we give it gas. We brake, orange to green. Look up the hill. Orange is pointing to green. This is a blind hill. And then orange is going to point downhill to the green, right there. See it? As we come out of the turn, we start rolling on the throttle. We lift at the yellow cone, go around the turn, and then we can get back on the gas as we go past that orange yellow cone. We're going to lift at the yellow cone, and then we're going to brake. And we're not going to look at the bird, we're going to look down that straightaway, and then we're going to brake in this braking section. Okay, orange to green. Wait, see, I wait until the turn. Now watch my hands. See how smooth that was?
Yeah.
And as we come out of the turn, we start giving it more and more throttle. We're turning onto the straight, we turn to that green cone, and as I like to say, let a rip, tater chip. We're going to lift at the yellow cones. 3, 2, 1, lift, and then brake in that straight line. Off the brakes, nice and smooth, back to the green cone. So now we're going to pick up our pace a little bit. That thing is pretty good for a 4-door, huh?
Oh yeah.
Turn right, nice and smooth. Roll on that throttle. Oh, look, supercars. Let's go catch them in the 4-door.
Oh my God.
See, he went wide.
Yeah.
Confirm pass for 2, Silver Ferrari. See, he turned in early.
You're gonna go.
And I'm going to go on the outside. Alright, this is our final time down that straight. He's not in the right position. You want to be over to the right. 3, 2, 1, lift, and then brake. And I had to get on the brakes a little earlier because I don't know what that guy's doing right there. Nice and smooth. Confirm pass for 2, White Ferrari. So what did we pass? We passed the silver Ferrari and the white Ferrari, right? Right?
Yeah.
Because I got to remember that.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hold on. All cars on track. Pit, pit, pit. All cars on track. Pit, pit, pit. Silver Ferrari and white Ferrari have 1 more lap. Bird, get out of the way. He came back for more. What the heck? So once again, guys, I learned how to do this on a motorcycle. Cars are easy. All right, guys, we're going to exit the track smoothly. All exit the track on the left. What did you think? Thumbs up?
That was awesome.
Yeah, that's amazing.
That was awesome.
Awesome. Cool. Any questions?
For like a car, I imagine like the supercar